See, there are a number of presidents will be proving RP Singh ji and his own party wrong because they have done the same thing. Whenever there is a particular information with an opponent political party, in this case Congress party, they have this information that Hemant Biswa Sarma, as per the Representation of People's Act 1951, said that 35 crore is the total family assets that he has. Interestingly, Pawan Kheda came out and Pawan Kheda showed that his wife Rinki Bhuiya Sharma owns at least two properties in Dubai. He has shown the deed numbers and public domain may till now it has not been proved wrong.
Are you saying that these
Yes,
passports are correct?
I'm sorry.
Are you saying these passports are correct, Akashdeep Muni?
No.
What I'm saying is that I'm talking about the two particular properties that is in Dubai. Let me complete.
No,
There is
Akashdeep Muni,
another
one second. Let's go one by one, please. One by one. Mr. RP Singh, one by one, please. Akashdeep Muni, the entire controversy started with these passports. Now, the allegation of the Assam government is that this is complete forgery. Are you saying that these cases are in that sense false now? Are you saying that these documents are authentic? Have you authenticated them?
No, Madhavji, the controversy is not about passports
Then?
only. The controversy is about specifically not following representation.
Sir,
of
I'm
People's
simply
Act
asking you.
1951,
I'm simply asking you a question. What is the basis of this case?
In an
We are discussing the entire case that has gone to the High Court. What is the basis of this case? There is forgery.
No,
There is
case
matters
has
related
gone
to
the
forgery
High
related to an election.
No, sir. Case in the High Court is about bail. It is not
Correct.
about.
But what is the basic case against him?
Forgery.
Of course, it's a bail case.
I'll
But
tell
what is the
you,
basic
I'll tell
case
you.
against
The
him in which
case
he is
is
seeking
about-
bail? Come on,
See,
Akashdeep Muni, let's not twist things to that extent.
Interestingly, let me come to it. There are two allegations specifically made by Pawan Kheda on Hemant Biswa Sarma. First is that suppression of suppression of data of some suppression of information in the affidavit. He filed that he has 35 crore while it is showing that he has multiple companies in US. He has properties in Dubai, which he has not shown in his affidavit.
Okay.
Forgery was the second allegation, sir.
Quick response, Sujata Pandey. The fact that they have not shown certain things which should be there in the affidavit ordinarily, but that has not been done in this case, and that is why these issues have been raised by the opposition, says Akashdeep Muni. Your response to him?
So I would say Pawan Kheda की तपस्या कभी पूरी नहीं होने वाली है. So I would request Kapil Madan and Akash not to risk their career for Pawan Kheda, because the first thing first, Akash said that the document proof is not being proven that it was fake. First of all, that was not the document of a property. It was a hotel room number, and the Dubai property can be verified through the portal, which you could do it sitting in here, which was absolutely lie. Second thing, it was also about the passport. The passport, everything was fake. There was typos, there were grammatical errors. Egypt with an extra N. The picture was a public picture. As we all know, that passport has a passport size photograph. All of it is already been spoken in the public domain. But what I want to talk about is that what Pawan Kheda has done is not just defamation case. He is definitely liable for forgery and forging the documents, because he said that Wyoming USA, has done this, the shell company in the name of Rinki Nandi LLC. You see the timing of it, Madhav. Just 48 hours before the elections, this company was registered, no paper trail whatsoever, and then the Pawan Kheda comes and tells the world about it.
Okay.
Absolutely lie. Then secondly, you also see the naming of it. They named it very, very cautiously. It was just a manufactured narrative that the Congress wanted to set up so that they could just lay off all the allegations that is put on the Gaurav Gogoi. It was just same tactics they had used during the before scam when they tried to frame VP Singh's son Ajit, saying that he has a shell company in cell kits. This is the same thing that they are trying to do it here. They did it during even the Rafael deal when it was going to 2019. They were coming up with all kinds of fraudulent documents. So
All right. I'd like to thank all our panelists for joining us. There's some more breaking updates coming in. Sujata Pandey, RP Singh, Kapil Madan, as well as Akashdeep Muni. More updates related to election.